Good morning, children. We have SST today. Lesson 1, Our Earth. Please take out. Our Earth. We will see in this chapter the surface of the earth, the atmosphere, the shape of the earth. First, let us see the surface of the earth. The surface of the earth is divided into many parts. First one is first point is that our earth is divided into two parts. It has two parts. First, water, then second, land. Our earth is nearly 70% filled with water and rest is only land. Now water is 70% and land is 30%. Now we will see the atmosphere. Atmosphere. We will see the atmosphere of the earth. In our country, atmosphere of the earth depends on all the different kinds of places. For example, all the coastal places of the earth, all the coastal places has all the coastal places has moderate climate. That means there is neither very hot nor atmosphere is very cool. In the same place we have very hot and wet climate. So we will see atmosphere of the earth differs from place to place. In Jammu and Kashmir we see very cool, pleasant and charming pleasant because the Jammu and Kashmir situated on a very high level of the earth. According to the sea level, the Jammu and Kashmir is on very high place. Secondly, the atmosphere of the earth also depends how far is place away from the sea. According to the height, the surface atmosphere of the place, depends on the level of the sea. The place is closer to the sea has moderate climate, far away from the sea has hot and wet climate. Now we will see the shape of the earth. The shape of the earth is not the same everywhere. The shape of the earth is spherical, also is round, because in the shape of the earth, the Ferdinand Magellan has found that the shape of the earth is round, like an orange, not exactly round, but little bit flat from the top and the same way at the down. Ferdinand Magellan, by his journey, he discovered that earth is round in shape, because the place he started to journey, he ends also in the same place when he made round journey voyage. Because of this, he declared that the earth is round in shape. Now we'll see the earth is round the earth is round in shape. It is round in shape and flattened northern poles plus southern pole as well. We will see the horizontal. Horizon means होता है the earth and water both are meeting together the earth and the sky appears to meet together is called horizontal. This place is called horizon. Actually, the earth and the sky never meet as they appear. We see around wherever we stand and see, we will see that it seems that the earth and the sky are meeting together, but in fact they never meet each other. That is called horizon. Enough, sir.